Auto Obsessed here. With all the focus on detailing and maintaining the outside of our cars and trucks, sometimes we forget that part of the vehicle we see when it's in use the most. The cabin, the interior. We sit in, see, smell, and touch the vehicle interior 100% of the time the car's in use. Detailing vehicle interiors can be complicated because there's a variety of materials there. And many things happen inside the car. Dust, lint, fingerprints, and skin oils, grease, mud, food and beverages, the list goes on. During normal use, drivers and passengers bring all of these contaminants into the car, and there's not a lot you can do to prevent it. So if prevention isn't a realistic possibility, then we're looking at cleaning, freshening, and protecting the interior surfaces. There are a lot of different surfaces and materials inside a vehicle's cabin. We have plastics, textured plastics, smooth and painted plastics. We have metal trim like chrome, aluminum, stainless steel, and polished resin trim like wood or carbon fiber. The goal for a detailer is to clean the interior and create a comfortable, clean, factory-fresh finish inside the car. We want a cleaning and finishing product that can perform well on all of these materials. And we want a product that has adequate cleaning power, as we need some detergent component to actually lift the dirt off the surface. And most importantly, we want to leave a fresh, matte look on the areas that are matte and a glossy look for the areas that are glossy, resulting in a clean, factory-looking finish so the interior looks brand new. We don't want to see a horrid, cheap, greasy shine, and we don't want to create more work than is necessary. Obsessed Interior is a premium interior detailing and finishing product. It cleans well and it leaves a consistent, attractive, picture-perfect finish, just as the factory intended the interior to look on all these plastics, metals, vinyls, and interior leather trim. Using Obsessed Interior is super easy. Just simply get a microfiber towel, not too thick or plush. Something in the 200 to 300 GSM range will work really well. In addition, you can use some soft detailing brushes to get into the tighter areas and maybe some of the textured surfaces. You just simply give the bottle a shake, spray some onto the microfiber towel, and wipe down the area. Let's try a little bit here. Just simply spray it onto a microfiber towel. Let's try it on the dashboard here. So you can see it's factory matte. Just going to wipe it down. Let's get some of the dust off. And you can see it leaves it exactly matte. So you can't even tell. So that's one of the nice things with this product is if you did have to just do light touch-ups, you're not committed to do the entire dash. You can just do a portion or whatever's actually needed, where other products are going to leave some sort of a film or they're going to change the gloss, and then you're going to be committed to do the entire thing. On glossy trim, same thing. I probably have enough product. Glossy trim, same thing. Just going to wipe it down, and it leaves it glossy. So super easy to use. On the switches here, maybe I'll try to wipe it first here. Wipe it. And if you did need to get into the grain, we could just use a little brush. We could just get into so we could put a little bit on the brush here. Go like this. You don't want it too wet. Now I'm going inside the switches, inside all the little parts here. Not a lot of liquid, so we're not worrying about damaging anything. And then just wipe it off. So that's just going to leave it exactly the way the factory intended. Super easy to use. The product has great cleaning power, rated in about the medium strength, so it works well in most cleaning scenarios, and is also safe to minimize potential damage in delicate areas. It's very versatile and can be used in most areas of the interior. It has an amazing fresh smell. The product is eco-friendly, biodegradable, and VOC compliant. The product is also made in North America. We use the interior cleaner here in our detailing studio when we're taking care of an interior detail. There are 3 sizes available. We have the small 16-ounce size, the medium 1-gallon size for detailing enthusiasts, and the large 5-gallon size for your professional detailers. You can get all 3 sizes by searching Obsessed Interior in the AutoObsessed.com web store, as well from any Obsessed reseller listed on obssssdproducts.com. That's spelled OBSSSSDproducts.com. You can also check the links in the description below. If you'd like to see more detailing videos like this, please take a second to click the like on this video. And of course, you're welcome to subscribe and get notified about our new upcoming videos. And thank you for watching.